Hello lovelies, welcome back. This is a fast video how to mold eba as pro. Add vegetable oil to your surface, add the eba. If you want to see how I make eba, I will leave the link down in the description box. 2 ways to make eba, so I will just roll it out. For those of you always coming to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting, keep liking, keep commenting, and keep sharing. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. So I will just roll and roll and roll until I achieve that shape that you are seeing. So this is it. Pair with any soup. Enjoy. Bye.